What's up, guys? Luckside here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. I want to talk to you guys about Mt. Gox coins. So if you're not familiar with Mt. Gox, what it is it was an old trading platform back in the heyday, back in 1927. No, it was back in the early days of Bitcoin. So back in the day, the olden days, there was a big hack that happened and a bunch of Bitcoin was stolen. Okay. Now in that time, Mt. Gox ended up going bankrupt and all this stuff, yada, yada, yada. Story for another day. Well, they ended up finding this wallet that had about 200,000 Bitcoin in it. So obviously there was much rejoicing, right? So with what has been set up now, there's a settlement plan in place that these coins are going to be repaid to the people that ended up getting, crushed by this hack. Okay. So there's been some debate about when these coins were supposed to come out. It's obviously been delayed and delayed and delayed and delayed and delayed, right? And the repayment dates were actually supposed to be made in late August. So just this last month here. And it was going to be paying out 137,000 Bitcoins, which, if you're familiar with the price of Bitcoin, that's like what, $400 million worth of Bitcoins? No, that's not right. 400, whatever, I'll do the math later. So anyways, to the customers of the hack trading platform, and it has now come out that they've been pushed back again. So this new updated document that came out, it says that the restricted reference period has been accepted by the court and starts on September 15th and ends at an undefined period. Now, there's a lot of buzz floating around because obviously the market, it's in a very unstable place right now. So the big concern is with these coins coming out, they're afraid that they are going to get dumped on the market, just sold, going to wreck everything, right? Well, it says that, even though this is the date that's in these things, right, that doesn't imply that payouts are going to begin on September 15th of 2022, which is, obviously it sucks if you're someone that's supposed to be getting some of your coins back, right? But it's good, obviously, for the rest of the market, because then obviously there's not this huge dump of crypto out on the market. So as mentioned before, the trustee is not ready yet to pay out. There will be a KYC process. He has to explain how payouts will happen, etc. He has to collect bank account data and so on. This will drag on for months, if not years. Nothing the trustee does is quick. So there you have it. If you were worried about these coins getting dumped on the market and, sending us to lower lows, completely wrecking us, probably sending us down to 11K, well, it doesn't look like that is going to happen. So, which is good because, I think we're all ready to be done with this bear market already. Based on some of the data and stuff that we've seen. Whoa, my hair is crazy. Based on some of the data and stuff that we've seen, we may be getting close to the bottom. Obviously, there's still a ton of macroeconomic events that could send us one way or the other. But, as far as the Mt. Gox coins go, there are people that are keeping a close eye on the trustee balance. They can see, obviously what it's currently at. It's at 137,890 Bitcoins. And it'll be interesting to see when, if ever, these end up coming out. That's all I got for you in this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell again. That way you'll know when the content here on the ClearCryptos channels goes live. Go ahead and hit that like as well. And I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch the video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.